To learn English, you should go outside your home and try to practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Without practice, you cannot be able to learn this language. Today, I will share our Blaze area, and this is a very fantastic and very fascinating area. This is actually business hub because there are this is on the bank of Gumti River, and I will share. This is a house, and this is the in front of this house. I will say there are lots of flower trees are planted, and this looks the area very beautiful and very bright, and the view of this home is very nice, and you will see the field is very big and very large, and actually this place is used for the purpose of business. Some people come here for buying, some people are selling their product here. Actually this is a place, the bricks, stones, and sand are sell here. So this is a good place and good hub for business, and that's why I take a decision. I come here after Fajr prayer, and I spend my valuable time here, and I make lots of video, and I think it is a good practice. And you will see on the bank of Gumti River there are planted lots of flower fruit trees. There are mango trees, betel nut, coconut, papaya, guava. So lots of trees are planted someone. So these trees makes the place very awesome, wonderful, and beautiful. Planted more and more trees, it makes our life very helpful, and it gives us oxygen and take the carbon dioxide from us. So I think this is a good morning for me, and I just capture many things, many view in today in my mobile phone, and actually I am walking on the bank of river, and this is the north side of this the bank, and this is actually situated in the Titas Upazila, and south side of this river this is situated at Daudkandi Upazila. So both Upazila is connected, divided by this Gomti river. And when I go Gauripur Bazaar, this is the south side, and when I live in this place, this is the Jharkhandi. This river have good impact, and this is the very renowned and very peaceful, and every people of the country know about this river. I think this is a good and nice and for us. So I continue my task every day. When I get time, I come here and I make video because I like this very much. If you have ample time, you can come here and you can make video, and you can share with your friends and family. So best of luck. Do carry or your task. So thank you very much.